Yo peeps, we're back again with another episode of Fast Car Checks, and today we're bringing back the races. This versus that. We're also going to do the 0-60s as well, which will all be in there. It will all be on the screen and you guys can see at home which one's going to be the fastest. Two very different cars here we've got as well. These cars don't even match up on paper in terms of age, hatchbacks, styling. Nothing's the same, but what we do have here is two genuine petrol heads behind the camera, and we've also got two capable cars that can contend with each other. So with that said, I'm going to bring in the owners now. They're going to tell you a little bit more about their car.
Here's my Fiesta ST3, stage 3, 320 horsepower, 400 newton meters of torque, big hybrid turbo, full Miltech exhaust system, big intercooler. Yeah, it is quick, it's fun.
And to be fair, you've been on the channel as well, so we did do a video with this car. Which you will have seen, and crazy car. Like I said, man, it was fun, throwing up some good numbers, throwing down the power, and today's going to be interesting to see which car will progress as the winner. And now we're going to bring on our second guest as well, and he's going to tell you about his Honda Civic.
All right, this is my Honda Civic EM1 Coupe, originally 1.6. Well, I've recently put a 2.4 K24 in it. It's running 271 horsepower and about 195 foot-pounds of torque. It goes all right for what it is, and yeah, see how it's gonna go.
Yeah, and you built this all yourself as well, didn't you? So this is like a Yeah, you bought this as yourself. Bought it as a shell, did you say? Yeah. And then slapped the K24 in there. Everything. It's had previous engines in there as well, hasn't it? It's had a K20, I believe. Yeah. Okay, so like I said, we're gonna keep it nice and short anyway, and just get out on the road. I just want to know from you, my boy, with the Civic first, who do you think's got it today?
Well, I don't know. I think the Fiesta might have it, to be fair.
Yeah.
Yeah. Soon we'll find out.
Yeah. All right, then. See, and we're at Brad over here as well. Yourself, Brad, who are you going for the W today?
Well, I'd like to think me, but you never know what's going to happen at the time, do you? So it's going to be interesting. It's going to be fun.
Yeah. And out of interest, how much does your car weigh?
About 1,100 kilos, something like that.
So you're both there or thereabouts. Both there or thereabouts, yeah. Turbo versus NA as well, of course. So yeah, let's get out and see what these cars can do then. But the ST. Car, one more time. Yeah, we're outside, yeah. Come on, let's see which one's victorious today on the channel. So we're just in the Honda now anyway. This thing sounds tremendous, mate. Absolutely tremendous. K24, listen. Fucking blood fire, this thing is a monster, brother. Yo, broski, this is mad. This is mad.
Is this the first K24 minute?
Yes, bro, this is, bro. Big him up, Jay. Big him up, bro. Wild, bro. Shit in hell. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go, go.
Honda's a savage, bro. Yo. Wow.
The 140 bro, just very fast. It's good the 140 on it goes.
Let's do a roller. Do a roller, yeah?
And when you hit that, yeah? Go. So on go, yeah? So 3, 2, 1, go. Getting them rollers down there, innit? Yeah. So both even. Yeah. When you get to that national, right, hit it. When you get there now, go. Yeah, yeah. Fucking hell. He had the extra torques then, didn't he? Yeah, that would make this end. Yeah, man. Yeah, wicked, bro. Wicked. We'll leave it there anyway, man. We'll leave it there, man. What a fucking battle, man. Battle of two different cars as well. You know, like a lot of these new cars, they're all kind of similar in their own way. Same engine, same spec, really. It's just tuned differently. This is completely left and right. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, man, that was a wicked race, man. Crazy. So we're back now, obviously. Like I said, shout out to both of these guys. Honest to God, as I said, this was last minute. This was not in the plans, was it? You've come from Wiltshire, which is how many miles? 30, 40 miles?
Yeah, it's about an hour drive
yeah,
from the town I live.
Yeah,
so.
yeah, and obviously cars are local lads, so, do you know what I mean? But both of these cars performed nice, you know what I mean? This one shocked me more, and I don't mean that like in a disrespect, but what you said about the torque and stuff on that's probably a bit more, but I mean Honda's in it. Honda's in it. Yeah. Yeah, man. Sweet, man. So yeah, obviously, big up to Car for the W. Big up to Brad for coming out, bro. The rollers was a bit different when we done the last roller, weren't it? And we both took off together. That wasn't in tech. Obviously, these cars need to be like revved the hell out of to get that performance, but both again, man, strong cars. But yeah, as I said, thanks for watching. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and if you want more battles like this, or you got a car that you want to bring on the battle, then you know where to find me. It's just Fast Car Checks on all platforms: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok as well, everything. Send me a message and let's get your car on the channel. But with that said, thanks for watching.